Okay, functions. The book definition says a function is a relation in which each element of the domain is paired with exactly one element of the range. What does that mean? That just means that the x's cannot repeat. So if we look at this function right here, my x's are 3, 4, -3, and 6. So that means my x's do not repeat, so this is a function. If you look at this mapping here, and we look at our point values here, I have -2, 4, okay, and then I have -1, 1. I have 0, 0, and I have 1, 1. Well, my 1, 1's not right. All right, here we go. Let's see. 1, 1. So my y values repeat, but my x values do not. So this is also a function. If you look at this table on the left, all the x values are different, so that's a function. But if you look on the right, I have 2 1s, so that means that's not a function because the x's repeat. There's something called the vertical line test. Okay, so if I have a graph, if I draw a line through a vertical line through this graph, it only crosses at one point. If I do a vertical line test here, it only crosses through one point. If I draw a line through here, it only crosses through one point. Here, 1 point. Now, if you look on the right side, it crosses through, for this graph, it crosses through 2 times. For this graph, it crosses through 2 times. Now, this one right here, this crosses through, here it crosses through only once, but here it crosses through a bunch of times. So that's not a function because at one point, at least one point, it crosses through more than once, okay? This one crosses through 2 times. You can see it crosses here and here. And again, through there, it crosses top and bottom. So those are not a function. These are functions, again, because if I cross through that line, it only crosses through one time. Vertical lines only. So you got to make a straight line up and down. Vertical lines. You might want to pause this and look at it again quickly. All right. So your classwork is right here. Okay. So you're going to do these problems and explain whether they're a function or not or why. Okay. So if you're working from home, let's do these in your notebook and post them to Google Classroom.